Hello students, this is lesson number 1 from Selina book, Standard 7 Integers, basically used for icse students. Okay, so the very first question is evaluate. Evaluate means, in other words, means to simplify. Okay, now the question here is 427 multiplied by 8 plus 427 multiplied by 2. Now, the best way to do is, the easiest way to do is to find out the common numbers, common integers. Integers are nothing but numbers. Okay, find the common numbers between them. 427 is common. Write 427 here. Whatever is left, right there and put this sign, whatever it is. If it is plus, put plus. If it is minus, put a minus sign here. So, your answer should come 427 multiplied by what is 8 plus 2? 10. So your answer is 4270. Don't you think this is simple? Hello students, this is lesson number 1 from Selina book, Standard 7 Integers, basically used for icse students. Okay, so the very first question is evaluate. Evaluate means, in other words, means to simplify. Okay, now the question here is 427 multiplied by 8 plus 427 multiplied by 2. Now, the best way to do is, the easiest way to do is to find out the common numbers, common integers. Integers are nothing but numbers. Okay, find the common numbers between them. 427 is common. Write 427 here. Whatever is left, right there and put this sign, whatever it is. If it is plus, put plus. If it is minus, put a minus sign here. So, your answer should come 427 multiplied by what is 8 plus 2? 10. So, your answer is 4270. Don't you think this is simple? The next question is 394 into 12 plus 394 into minus 2. See, there is a twist in this question. Okay. So, what is common between them? 394. Right here 394. What is left? 12. Put a plus sign here and there is also a minus sign here. Put it. Okay. Now 394. What is plus into minus? Minus. Okay. 394 into 10. The answer should be 3940. Let's come to the next question. The third one is 558 multiplied by 27 plus 3 into 558. Now, the common numbers, the common integers are 558 and 558. Put a right 558 here. Whatever is left, write down and with the sign. I think this is easy for you. 27 plus 3, 30. Now how will you multiply this? Okay, without using a rough work. Put a 0 here. 3 8s are 24. 3 5s are 15 plus 2, 17. 3 5s are 15 plus 1, 16. This is the answer. Let's go ahead with the next question. Second, evaluate. Again, it is simplifying. 673 multiplied by 9 plus 673. So, see, multiplying by 9 is not an easy task, okay? I'll make things simple for you. Write the 673 common. What is left? 9 plus. If nothing is left here, write here 1. Okay? So, sorry. Right here, if nothing is left here, yeah, you have to write here 1. So, 673 multiplied by 10, which is 6730. Easy? Next question is 1925 multiplied by 101 minus 1925. Okay, this is as good as multiplying 1925 by 9. Write this 1925 outside the bracket, make a bracket, write here 10, is it 101? Oh yeah, sorry, 101. I thought it's 10, sorry. It's not multiplying it by 9, it's multiplying it by 101. Minus, see, there is no number here, so put a 1 here. Okay, so this is 1925 multiplied by 100. 101 minus 1 makes 100. So this is 192500. This is ending of question number 2. Now comes the question number 3, verify. Verify means what? Verify doesn't mean to simplify. Verify means to check whether your left hand side is equal to your right hand side. Okay, there will be an equal to sign in between. You will have to check whether both the sides are equal or not. So 37 into 8 plus minus 3, and here it is 37 into 8 plus 37 into minus 3. Let's check whether this both LHS is equal to RHS. So this becomes 37 into 8 plus minus opposite signs will also end up being minus 3. This is 37 into 5. Okay, let's check whether that side is 37 into 5 or not. What is common? 37. What is left? 8 plus minus 3. Okay, so this is 37. 8 plus minus will make it minus. So this will be 37 into 5. See, both LHS is equal to RHS, hence verified. All you have to write is hence verified. Let's go ahead with the next question. And my next question is, second one, minus 82 multiplied by minus 4 plus 19 is equal to minus 82 multiplied by minus 4 plus minus 82 into 19. So how will you do it? Let's come to the LHS part first. This is minus 82 multiplied by, what is minus plus? Opposite signs will end up being minus, okay? 19 minus 4 is 15, okay? So this is minus 82 multiplied by 15. Let's look at the RHS, whether is it same or not. This is minus 82 common. What will go inside the bracket? Whatever is left, okay? So here minus 4 is left. Put a plus sign and 19 is left. See, these both. Okay? So this becomes minus 82 into 15. Don't you think LHS is equal to RHS? Let's go ahead with the next question. Next one is, third one is 7 minus 7 into 7 is equal to 7 into 7 minus 7 into 7. Don't get confused. It's really very simple. See, I'm not using any tables. I'm not using even the rough work part. Yeah. So always work with the brackets first. So this becomes 7 plus 7 into 7. Okay. What is 7 plus 7? 14 into 7. Whatever the product be. Wait. Let us check whether that side is 14 into 7 or not. What is 7 into 7? I think it is 49. Yes. Minus into minus plus. Again 7 into 7. 49. So your answer here is 98, right? Let's check whether this is 98 or not. 17 into 4 is, yes, this is also 98. Hence LHS is equal to RHS. Let's go ahead with the next question. Question number 4. It is minus 15 minus 8 multiplied by minus 6, and on RHS it is minus 15 multiplied by minus 6 minus 8 into minus 6. Don't get confused or scared of numbers. It's really very simple. New people can do it really easily. Minus minus, see, two same signs will end up being plus. What is 15 plus 8? I think it is 23. But be careful, you have to put the sign of the bigger number always. Multiplied by minus 6. So whatever the product be, we'll check it later. Let's go ahead with the RHS part. What is 15 6R? 15 6R is, I think it is 90, yes. Minus into minus is plus. See students, look here. Here there is no into sign in between. So you have to put the sign of the larger number. Here there is an into sign, a multiplication sign in between. So you have to put the sign whichever applies to. Minus into minus plus, so plus you have to put. Minus minus again plus, and this is 6 8s are 48. This is nothing but 138. Let's see whether this is 138 or not. Minus into minus, yes, plus, like here it is plus. Yes, this is also 138. Hence verified. LHS is equal to RHS. Let's go ahead with the question number 4. Question number 4 is evaluate again. See, fourth one is evaluate. Okay, evaluate is nothing but multiply, or you can say simplify, or you will say BOD mass. So these are evaluate. Okay, you should know what they are asking you for. 15 multiplied by 8. So what should be 15 8s are? I'll tell you. See, there are various ways to multiply it, but my way is 8 5s are 40, 8 1s are 8, 8 plus 4 12. This is one. Second one they have asked is 15 multiplied by minus 8. So again 15 8s are is 120. Already we have done that. Plus minus minus, here minus will come. Okay. Next is minus 15 into 8. Again 15 8s are is 120. Minus into plus minus. Next one is, what if both the numbers should be? I think here both the numbers are in minus. If minus 15 into minus 8. What is 15 8s are? 120. Minus minus plus. Don't you think, children, this is easy? I'll make you revise this once again. See, if both are plus, if no sign is given here, means it is plus. Okay. If both are plus, your product will come in plus. If both are minus, still your product will come in plus. Two same signs means plus. Whether it be minus minus or plus plus, your answer will come always in plus. Two different signs, minus plus or plus minus, your answer will come always in minus. Same signs, positive. Opposite signs, negative. Always remember. Let's go ahead with the question number 5. Question number 5 is again evaluate. Now children, you must be very much familiar with the multiplication part. Okay, so please don't get scared. It's very easy. 6 4s are 24. 24 into 8. 8 4s are 32. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 3, 19. 192 is the answer. Since all the numbers are in positive sign, there is no sign means positive sign. The answer here is also positive. What if one of it will be negative? This is question number 2. See, 6 4s are 24. 24 8s are, first write 192. Now look here students. Plus 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 minus minus. Answer will come up in minus. Third question is, what if one of it, like this number is in negative? Okay, again 6 4s are 24, 24 8s are 192. The answer will come in negative only. Why? Minus plus minus minus plus again minus. Got it? Fourth, what if this one is in negative? Again, since the number of minus sign is in odd, the answer will be in minus. Odd, only one number is in minus, answer is in minus. What if two numbers are in minus? For example, here minus 4 into 6 into minus 8. There's a question like this. So see, there are number, how many minuses are there? 2. That is even in number. They will nullify. It will become positive. So your answer here is plus 192 only. No minus sign. Next is, what if minus 4 into minus 6 into 8? I think you people are very clever to answer this. Your answer would be plus or minus? It would be plus. Why? Minus into minus got dissolved and turned it out to be in plus. What if three of them are in minus? Minus 4 into minus 6 into minus 8. See, 192 has to be there. The question is arising whether the sign should be plus here or minus. Minus minus plus, plus minus minus. It is in odd, therefore the number here would be in minus. Let's go ahead with the question number 6, that is evaluate again. Let's evaluate. See, all numbers are in plus. So why do you have to put negativity in somebody's life? Entire life is positive. Come on. 4 2s are 8. 8 6 are, I think 8 6 are 48. 48 into 8. 8 8s are 64. 8 4s are 32 and 6. 38. The answer is 384. Let's go ahead with the next question. 2 into minus 4 into 6 into 8. Come on, what is it? This is again, the numbers are same. So the product would be the same, 384. No need to multiply it again and again. The question is going to be the same. But the question here arises is whether it should be put here plus sign or minus sign. Let's check. How many minus signs are here? 1. Positive, positive, positive. Only one negative. That is odd. That is why here minus will come. Okay. Let's go ahead with the question number 3. See now here minus 2 into 4 minus 6 into 8. Okay. Now here again the answer is going to be 384. But you have to check whether the minus signs are in positive or negative. Oh sorry, odd or even. So there are two negative signs, that is even, so this will be plus. Okay, I'll go ahead directly with the fifth one. All are in minus. Minus 2 into minus 4 into minus 6 into minus 8. Let's multiply and find the product. So this is 384 has to be. Now 1 2 3 4. 4 means even, it will be plus. I think by now it is easy and clear to you where you have to put a plus sign and where you have to put a minus sign while doing evaluation, simplification, multiplication and division. Next question is question number 7. Determine the integer whose product with minus 1 is this. That means you have to find a number multiplying by which you get the number minus 1. Okay, so actually the question seems to be quite tricky, but its solution is very simple here. The solution is you have to simply multiply it with some number so that you get this minus 1. Okay, how will you get this minus 1? You have to, the question is, determine the integer whose product with minus 1. That is, you have to find a number. If you multiply it with minus 1, you get this. Okay, so I think if I multiply this number with, if I multiply 47 with minus 1, I get minus 47. Okay, so here the number should be 47. The answer is 47. Similarly, if I multiply minus 63 with minus 1, my answer would be 63. So here the answer, required answer is minus 63. Okay, similarly minus 1. So if I multiply 1 with minus 1, my answer would be minus 1. 0, you multiply anything with 0, you will get 0 only. So don't put minus 0 plus 0. Okay, so all you have to do is put the opposite of this question. If it is minus 647, write plus 47. If it is 63, write minus 63. If it is minus 1, put plus 1. If it is 0, let it be 0 only, because anything multiplied by 0 or divided by 0 will give you a 0 only. The next question is question number 8. Now in this question they are saying that 18 numbers are multiplied. Find the sign of the product if 15 are negative and 3 are positive. Forget the positive. Let it be odd or even. It will be positive only. Problem comes when it is negative. Now 15 negative means odd number. 15 is an odd number. Then the answer would be in negative form. Okay. Second question, next question to in the same sub question is 12 of them are negative. 12 are negative and rest are positive. Don't look at the positive part, let it be. Look here, 12 are negative. 12 is an even number. So when it is even, they get nullified. Negative fight and become positive. So the answer here would come in positive product. Okay. The next is 9 are positive. 9 are positive and the rest are negative. Now rest means how much? 18 minus 9? 9. 9 are negative. 9 is an odd or an even, students? 9 is an odd number. So the product here would be in negative form. The next question is all are negative. All negative. All means what? How many? 18 negatives. 18 negatives. 18 is an even number. So your product, the answer would be in positive. Hope you understood this. Let's go ahead with the next question. Find which is greater. Now greater and smaller, you know this, the crocodile sign. Okay. But here when it comes to negative and positive numbers, that is negative and positive integers. In negative integers, the smaller number is bigger and the bigger smaller. Wait, I'll explain you why. Find which is greater. Okay, greater means bigger, not mahan. 8 plus 10 into 15 or 8 plus 10 into 15. Now let us see which one is greater or which one is bigger. What is 8 and 10? 18 into 15, sorry. And here according to the Bodmer's rule, you have to multiply first. This becomes 8 plus 150. Let's multiply and check which one is bigger. 15 into 18 is how much? 5 is 49. So this becomes 270 and this is just 158. I think this one is bigger. Okay, the crocodile will eat the bigger number. Let's go ahead with the next sub question of this. That is, which one is bigger? 12 into Next is 12 into 6 minus 8. This or 12 into 6 minus 8. I think this question is for you to learn the importance of brackets. This becomes 12 into, what is 6 minus 8? 6 minus 8 is minus 2. When you subtract a bigger number from a smaller one, you get the answer in minus. Here the answer is minus 24. Okay, let's go ahead and check there. Here, according to the BODMAS rule, multiplication will be first. 12 6 are 72. 72 minus 8 is how much? 72 minus 8 I think is 64. Yes, it is 64. So which one is bigger? 64 is bigger than minus 24. Let's go ahead with the third question. Minus 3 into 4 into minus 5, or this side is minus 3 minus 4 into minus 5. Now see the difference. Although the integers are same, but the brackets put here or allotted here are on different positions. So the values change. Okay. This becomes minus 3 minus 4 into minus 5. Minus minus plus, but sign of the bigger number, into minus 5. So this is 35. Minus into minus plus. Plus 35 comes here. Let's see what comes there. What is minus 3 minus 4 multiplied by minus 5? Let's multiply this first. Okay. So this is minus 3 plus 20. This is just 17. Which one is bigger? The left hand side is bigger. So we end up with the question number 9 here. The next is question number 10, that is true and false. Product of two different integers can be 0. Product of two different integers can be 0. Do you really feel so? Yes, it can be 0. Anything, take a 0 and take any number, you will get 0 only. Take a 0 and multiply it by any bigger number, you will still get a 0. Okay, this is the verification of the answer, justification. Okay, so the answer here is true. Okay, next is product of 120 positive integers. Wait, let me rub the board. Product of 120 negative integers and 121 positive integers is negative. Now let's see whether is it negative or positive. A product of 120 negative. 120 is what? Odd or even? 120 negative will make them positive. Why? Because the number is even here. 121 positive. 121 positive. Any number of positive will make it positive only. So here they are asking whether it will be negative. The answer is false. The answer would be positive. Come on, let's see the next question. A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus C. See now, students, look here. When you are doing this a into b plus c, you have to multiply this. When you are putting a bracket, you are multiplying this a with both. You are multiplying this a with b, that is ab plus ac. But here it's not so. Here it's only ab plus c. So the answer here is, since both are not equal, the answer is false. Okay. Similarly, let's go ahead with the fourth question. It is b minus c into a is equal to b minus c into a. See, because we have a bracket here and a number outside, we have to multiply this with both. This becomes ab minus ac, whereas this is only b minus c into a. Do you really feel both are same? No, they are not. So it is false. This equal to is false. So we end up with question 1a here.